The only thing we now need to do is part the product apart, so we'll move to Lathe and activate the part product feature. Okay, would you like to define a new tool? Well, let's load a new tool from our tool library and move to the database, and let's select, for instance, this tool, for instance, and select OK, and we'll enter a cutting speed, spindle speed, and a feed of 0.5, and click on OK, and the Z value of our product is minus 75. Tensor will automatically calculate the offset by watching at the width of our tool, so we don't need to go all the way down, so we can enter a negative value of minus 20, for example, and the start diameter is 120, and if we would like a little chamfer here, we can define a chamfer of 1 millimeters. We can even, if we would like to, define this as a radius, but we'll leave it just to this, and we'll click on OK. Tensor will give you a warning that the length of the tool is too short compared to diameter, but in this case we'll click on OK, and here you have your parting, and you can see your tool path. So if we have a quick look at the simulation how this looks like, we'll load our program and move to the last NC job, the parting, and we'll insert a breakpoint. We'll have a very fast simulation up to this point. So these are the previous NC jobs, and now we can step by step watch this being parted. So this ends programming this part. So you had a number of videos you watched, or you can watch them again and learn from this how easy you can program parts within Tensor. Good luck.